The Accidental Tourist. The Accidental Tourist is a humorous story. The narrator, Bill Bryson, narrates his experience as an air traveler. He is a man of confusion. There are many things that he could not do properly due to confusion. He often forgets the way to lavatory. He finds it difficult to remember his hotel room number. He forgets almost everything which is required to carry out his routine activity. The routine things are fixed in difficult and almost impossible. Once, he went on a visit to England along with his family for a week on Easter. The narrator was a card holder of the British Airways frequently flying program. On the airport, he wanted to show the discount card to the authorities, which was in the carry-on bag. He tried to open the bag, but the zip on the bag jammed. So, he pulled on it and yanked at it with a jerk. The zip gave away abruptly. The side of the bag flew open and all the things in it were spread all over in the center of the airport. His wife wondered at his husband's absent-mindedness. Hard word and its meaning. Yank, pull with a jerk. He had many experience while traveling by flights. Once, on an aeroplane, when he leaned over to tie his shoelace, just at that moment, someone in the seat ahead of him threw his seatbelt into recline. As a result, he got stuck in kneel-down position. He managed to get himself free by clawing the leg of the man sitting next to him. On another occasion, he knocked soft drinks into the lap of a lady sitting beside him. The worst experience he had was writing some thoughts on a paper. He fell onto conversation with a lady sitting next to him. He did not notice that he had put his pen in mouth. It leaked and his mouth was covered with ink. He did not realize it until he went to the lavatory. The narrator was so fed up with his eating habits that he preferred not to eat while on board. His wife used to take some precautions. She told the children to take the lids off the food from him or put their hoods up when their father cuts his meat. He could never take benefits from the discount schemes. He lost a golden opportunity to avail himself of a first-class flight to Bali due to his absent-mindedness. Let us see some of the hard words and their meanings. Alley, a narrow passageway between or behind buildings. Family, with one's family. Grunt, a short low sound in the throat to show pain and anger. Budge, move slightly. Consternation, surprise, shock or anxiety. Extravagantly, very extremely. Oblivion, a state in which one is not aware of what is happening around. Concourse, the open central area in a large public building. Disgorging, Pour something out in a large quantities. Exasperation, irritation. Catastrophes, a sudden event that causes many people to suffer. Patch, a place or position. Urbane, polished and cultured. Bons mots, clever remarks. Sway, sophisticated, polite. Seismic event, a powerful happening like an earthquake. The list of 5 compound words and find their meanings. Dumbstruck, unable to speak because of surprise. Shoelace, a long thin piece of material like string that goes through the holes on a shoe and is used to fasten it. Outside, the outside or surface of something. Thoughtfully, showing signs of careful thought. Airline, a company that provides regular flights to take passengers and goods to different places. Here is a list of words and their 2 different meanings. Fair, acceptable and appropriate in a particular situation. An event at which people, business, etc. show and sell their goods. Bank, an organization that provides various financial services. The side of a river, canal, etc. Left, went away from a person or a place. Opposite of right. Saw, a tool that has a long blade with sharp points. Past form of see means look. Bear, to be able to accept and deal with something unpleasant. A heavy wild animal with thick fur and sharp claws. Right, a moral or legal claim to have something true or correct as a fact. Interest, the feeling that you have to know or learn more about something. The extra money that you pay at the time of borrowing or receive at the time of lending. Like, similar to somebody or something. Prefer to do something. Can, a word that is used to say something is possible for somebody. A container made of any metal or plastic for carrying something. Row, a number of people or objects in a line. To have a noisy argument. Minute, equal to 60 seconds. Minute, extremely small. Second, happening or coming next after the first. A very short time. Read the following sentences. The zip on the bag was jammed, so I pulled on it and yanked at it with grunt and frowns. Here, the underlined word grunt is a short low sound in the throat to show annoyance, pain and disinterest. it is a sound word. Here are a few other sound words and their meanings. Babble, the sound of many people speaking at the same time, or the sounds a baby makes before beginning to say actual words. Bark, the short loud sound made by dogs and some other animals. Groan, to make a long deep sound because you are annoyed, upset or in pain or with pleasure or moan. Grumble, to complain about someone or something in a bad-tempered way. Moan, to make a long deep sound usually expressing unhappiness, suffering or physical pleasure or groan. Mumble, to speak or say something in a quiet voice in a way that is not clear. Murmur, to say something in a soft, quiet voice that is difficult to hear or understand. Mutter, to speak or say something in a quiet voice that is difficult to hear, especially because you are annoyed about something. Shout, to say something in a loud voice, to speak loudly, angrily to someone. Shriek, to give a loud, high shout. Whisper, to speak very quietly to someone so that other people cannot hear what you are saying or murmur. Here are some sentences in the passive voice. Read them carefully and say which domain they belong to. Tendulkar has been caught. Cricket commentary. Patrons are asked not to smoke. Invitation and hospitality. Our planet is wrapped in a mass of gases. Science. The news is read by Pragati. Media or news reading. Examinations have been postponed. Education or studies. The suspect has been acquitted of the charge. Crime or judgment.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.